This is my website. I'm indexing for my particular page. Purpose, if anybody copies just my URL in Google, they display like this. Is it clear? Same like that. I'm going to the services page. I'm indexing one page here. So I'm going to services. Here we go to the option call is here, this page. Okay. This page I'm indexing using Google Webmaster. Indexing process is made by only for Google Webmasters. So previous we discussed about Google Webmaster activation. So this will help for the indexing your URLs along with your title and description. Now here I'm going to the google.com/webmaster. Click for sign in. Here, what my website name is rakeshtechsolutions.com. Now we are here. Just open any website here. First, why I'm selecting any website is nothing but your website selection will be there in top. So I'm selecting my website name. What is that? Rakesh Solutions. Here, go to crawl option. Click for fetch as Google. So already my domain name and domain name will be there. So what is the copying for? Our page URL. Services after, copy this one, paste in the box, click for fetch. After fetching, here showing one option is called index your website. So it is showing one error here. Just refresh. Showing for temporary not reachable. The risk your page issue will be there. Maybe the problem with the webmaster. So we can show the another URL here. Just I'm going to the. I'm coming from this below here. Click for study material. So copy the URL extension. Paste it. Click for fetch. So yeah, the problem with the Google Webmaster. This is called maybe the Webmaster will be updating or something issue will be going on here. If anything done, so I can show another website here for showing for website. I'm going to one website is called Policy News. I can open this website here. Maybe that website issue may be Webmaster. You will check by this website. Targeted solution will be have the problem. You can rectify this problem will be the website here. So this is my Policy News website here. So everything will be there. See, few will be problem with your temporary unreachable. So just open your website here. I'm taking the one option here. So I'm select any one option. So please copy in this option. Just your extension. Copy this one. Go to Google Webmaster. Now click here. Click for fetch. Then fetch is, we'll check this one. Problem is Google Webmaster. So after that, they're showing one option is called index website. Click the website, the process will be going on. So any webmaster will be activation will be problem is called maybe internet issue or webmaster updating purpose. It's clear? Now this is for indexing for your using with the fetch as Google. Crawl fetch as Google. With the fetch, second will be called index website. Click the option. They go into index process. Clear? This is for your indexing your website on your search engine. After indexing, you can see this page here. Just copy this URL. We'll check this in Google. It's done. Is indexing. That problem is that will be not reachable. Now we can check this one also. Previous one. services. What are my page? Website, design and development. Just list here. Done. Is indexing, but the problem is the reaching server is problem. Is it clear? This is for indexing your fraction of second. Any new page indexing using for Google Webmaster, that is called crawl fetches Google. Not only website, blogs, free blogs, free WordPress, everything will be same using with the Google Webmaster.